I'm going to grab my Chicago screw tool, which looks like this, and it's kind of like a set of pliers, and what that does is there's rubber here, and that's going to clamp around the Chicago screw, and this rubber is going to hold this part of the Chicago screw tight so that we can access this side with a flathead screwdriver and really get that tightened down. So I'm going to just go around the bag on both sides and squeeze this. Now what you want to look for, because it's like pliers, is if it's too easy to squeeze down, then you might want to tighten this here, lefty loosey, righty tighty. So mine was a little easy. So I'm just going to give it a little twist, because the tighter that this clamps down on the Chicago screw, the better it's going to hold it in place so I can screw it in. Now that felt a little better there. Also, just a word of advice, sometimes this can pinch your hand, so just be aware when you're squeezing this that maybe you want to come and rearrange your hand to squeeze back down here instead of having it right in here. Okay. Then I'm going to grab my flathead screwdriver and tighten this. So this is clamping the Chicago screw on this side and on this side, but it's giving me access to the flathead on the screw.